Boys and girls, how's it going? So this is for your IXL on Friday, which is AA.11 surface area of cubes and prisms. Now, surface area is where find the area of each surface on the three-dimensional shape. Okay, and then once you find that area, you have to add it together. So we got to do two steps here. First, actually, there's a few steps. First, we have to imagine what the shape looks like if I was to unfold it into a net. Okay, and we did that a few weeks ago. So I noticed that I have a top piece and a bottom piece. They're really tiny. So I can kind of draw them. There's one of them. Okay, here's my other one. So that's the top and the bottom. And I know from looking at the picture that it's 1 by 3. Now, since it's surface area, area is found by multiplying together the length and the width. So I know that the area for these, this is going to equal 3. The area for this one will equal 3, because I'm doing 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3. Now I'm going to take the long skinny piece and I can draw that. Now, if you imagine, we actually have 2 of those long skinny pieces. There's one. Here's my other one right here. Okay. So it's 8 by 1. And I can tell that because, I'll show you why in a second. It's because if you look over here, here's my 8 and there's my 1. So it's 8 by 1, and the area of those are both going to equal 8. Okay. Now, my last area is the big piece. So now with the big piece, it's going to be 3 by 8. I see 3 and I see 8 over here going on. So I'm going to draw 2 big pieces. So there's one big piece. And now listen, once you get good at this, you don't have to do all this drawing. I'm sorry my drawing looks funny. My drawing pad likes to lag when I record these videos. It's good during our Zoom meetings, but for this, I don't know why it does that. So then you would do 3 by 8 on both of them. And 3 times 8 is 24. So then I would have 2 sets of 24. So the last thing is I'm going to add all these together. You can use your calculator. Okay, you can. Now, so this is going to end up being 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 is 24. It'll be 46. All right, 46 plus 24, that's going to be 70. So my answer is going to be right here. All right, excuse me. That's how you find surface area. You have to find the area of each surface, and then you have to add them all together. Now look, they give you 20 points. So meaning that this type of problem, this IXL, you can get it done quickly if you get them right. Now I'm going to jump some levels here. All right, and it's pretty much the same problems if you keep looking at it. Let me clear this out, and I'll do this problem with you. Now I'm going to do this problem a little bit different. Now we have 3 different pieces here. We got the little piece, okay, the side piece, and the top bottom piece. The little piece, I know that's going to be 5 by 2. It's going to be 5 times 2. And I know that because this piece right here, that's 2 and this is 5. So now this is going to equal 10. But, excuse me, remember we have 2 of those pieces. So now I know I'm going to have another 10. So I don't have to keep drawing things. So that now a little piece is done. I put a little X on that. Now let's do this side piece. Now that side piece is going to be 8 times 2, which is going to be 16. Now I know I'm going to have an opposite side piece on the other side over here, so I'm going to put 16 there as well. Now the top piece is going to be 8 times 5, because this is 8 and that's 5. So then when I write that down, I'm running out of time, but see if I can get this in. That's going to be 40, and then I'm going to take all those numbers and I'm going to add them together, and it's going to be 240. So that's going to be 80. That's going to be 32. I think it's going to be 132.